morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to take you throughout my day and show you what I'm going to eat today. Today is going to be more laid back, a little bit we're going to make a few easier recipes and do a little bit of a meal prep. So I'm just going to make do some meals that I can put in the refrigerator and have those to eat throughout the week. So first of all, thank you guys all so much for watching, for liking, for subscribing. It really helps me out. I just feel so much support from you guys. Thank you so much. So this morning I already had my coffee, so I'm gonna go ahead and start getting stuff ready for breakfast. So let's go ahead and get into that recipe. Okay, you all, I have got the ingredients ready for this dish. We're gonna make a cheesy ham and broccoli baked frittata. Got the cheese, the ham, the broccoli, obviously salt, pepper. We have some cayenne that we're gonna add as well. Pray for our pepper shaker. It got burnt next to the oven. Got some milk, eggs obviously, and some onions. So I had frozen broccoli on hand, but you could use fresh broccoli. I bet that would be even better. If you just cut it up into little florets, it would be probably so much better, but I'm just using what I have on hand.
By the law of the land in the state of Texas, you walk up to somebody and say and announce your marriage to them 3 times, then you are legally married.
I've heard that.
I looked it up to see if it was still true, and guess what? It is.
So it was right about here that I realized my broccoli was too big. So of course I decided to cut it up with some kitchen scissors. Here is the finished results. They're a little crispy. We had to clean them up a little bit, but they look pretty good. They took about 30 minutes or so to cook. Okay, here's the finished product. I took 2 of them out and put a little bit of sour cream on top and some green onions, and then I put a little bit of this creamy cilantro hot sauce on top. So now let's taste it and see how they are. All right. It's so cheesy. It's really good. Paco, how did you get out? You need to go back in. Good morning. Yes, I know. Hello. Go back in the fence. Hi, Hank. Ah! How did you get out? So, funny story, we had replaced a toilet a while ago and we cleaned it out yesterday, and we were gonna sell it to a guy for like 20 bucks. Well, we set it out here because he's gonna pick it up this morning, and these stupid goats went over and knocked it over and broke it. So we ended up giving to him for free. What are you guys doing? So for lunch, I'm gonna make a BLT avocado chicken salad wrap. So we've got some bacon, avocado, lime juice, tomatoes, green onions, chicken, mayonnaise, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and cayenne. Then we're gonna mix it all together and put it on romaine lettuce as a wrap. Okay, let's do a taste test of this. It looks really good, so hopefully it is as good as it tastes. Hopefully it's as good as it looks. All right, gonna get a big bite of lettuce. This is so good. This is so good. I have outdone myself. You guys should try this recipe. It's so good. Okay, are you ready to try it?
Yes.
All right.
Can I steal this one?
Yeah.
Is this gonna go on your YouTube channel?
Maybe. How's it taste?
So good. Yes.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So that breakfast and then lunch super filled me up. I'm like not hungry at all. But I love having things like that I can just like make a big batch of and keep in the refrigerator. Like those frittatas, I would put them in a container and put them in the refrigerator and just like grab one out for breakfast and like eat it on the way to work or eat it at work or something like that. And then always having some sort of like chicken salad that you can either eat on like a lettuce wrap or like a tortilla or a low carb tortilla or whatever, or even just like by itself or on bread, whatever. Just having something like that available so that like when you're busy or you're just like don't have time to cook or you don't want to cook, you always have something that's like readily available. But until I have to like go check on dinner, I'm just gonna sit in my hammock, enjoy the sun, get some vitamin D, and read my book. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get dinner started. We're gonna make a ranch garlic chicken, and we're gonna put it in the Instant Pot, and we're gonna let that go. We've got some chicken, green onions, red pepper, garlic, salt, pepper, cream cheese, ranch powder, some green onions, lime. So should be good. It was right about here where Josh decided that I was not competent enough to cut the vegetables. Okay, so the chicken is in the Instant Pot thingy and it's cooking. It should be done in like with the steam release, it'll probably be like an hour. So I'm just gonna stay outside, soak up some sun, and make my chunky dog go on a walk with me. Quite the eventful day. The alpacas don't want to go back in their pen.
Go this way. Go on. Come on, look.
How did you end up back over here? That is your home. Not out here. Okay, so our dinner is done, and I also heated up some leftover rice that we had a couple days ago. So I'm gonna put the chicken over the brown rice. So there's our dinner. It's very beige. Now we need to test it. Let's add some green onions to kind of break up the monochromatic scheme we got going on here. All right, let's see. Mmm. It's really good. All right, you guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you got some good ideas that you could use for yourself on those days that you're so busy or working or busy and working. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe, hit that bell notification button so you know when I post a new video. It really helps me out, and I really appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you so much. You guys all have a good night. I love you all. 2, 1.